Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to Cryptowini, your go-to channel for all things cryptocurrency. And today, we've got something really exciting to talk about: how to turn your smartphone into a crypto goldmine. But before we dive into this crypto adventure, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. That way, you'll never miss out on the latest crypto updates and guides. And for even more in-depth knowledge, including FAQs related to this topic, visit our website, www.cryptowini.com. Now, let's get right into it. Unlocking the power of your smartphone for crypto. So, what's the deal with mobile cryptocurrency mining? It's a game changer. Now, you can mine crypto using just your smartphone or tablet. No need for expensive gear or technical expertise. Crypto Mining 101, your smartphone's hidden talent. But what's crypto mining, you ask? It's all about verifying and recording transactions on a blockchain network. Miners use their device's power to solve complex puzzles, securing the network and earning fresh tokens in return. Crypto for everyone, making it accessible. Accessibility: mobile mining is for everyone. If you've got a smartphone or tablet, you're in. No exclusivity here. No more expensive rigs. Your wallet-friendly solution. Low entry barrier. Forget those costly mining rigs. All you need is your device and an internet connection. Learning and earning. Crypto school in your pocket. Learning opportunity. Mobile mining isn't just about earning. It's a fantastic way to learn about blockchain and crypto without breaking the bank. The challenges ahead. What you need to know. But, of course, there are challenges. Limited processing power. Your smartphone isn't as powerful as dedicated rigs, which can limit your mining rewards. Hot topics. Managing battery drain and heat. Battery drain and heat. Mining can drain your battery and generate heat, potentially causing damage. Is it worth it? Profitability and realistic expectations. Profitability. Making big profits with mobile mining can be tough due to energy costs and competition. Ready to dive in? Here's how. So, are you ready to get started? Here's how. Choose your device. Make sure your device is relatively recent and has decent processing power. Android devices are usually more versatile for mining. Picking the right crypto, your key to success. Select the right cryptocurrency. Research and pick a crypto optimized for mobile mining. Finding your mining companion, the app hunt. Download the mining app, head to your device's app store and grab a reputable mining app with good reviews and community support. Fort Knox for your crypto, setting up your wallet. Set up a cryptocurrency wallet. Keep your earnings safe with a secure crypto wallet. A hardware wallet is a great choice for extra security. Strength in numbers. Joining a mining pool. Join the mining pool. Boost your chances of consistent rewards by joining a mining pool that supports your chosen crypto. Fine-tuning for success. Your mining app settings. Configure your mining app. Enter your wallet address and tweak mining settings for better performance while saving battery. Staying cool. Monitoring your device. Monitor your device. Keep an eye on your device's temperature and battery level during mining. Don't overheat it with marathon mining sessions. Realistic expectations. What to keep in mind. Now, let's talk expectations. Don't expect to become a crypto millionaire overnight. Your earnings will depend on the crypto you're mining, your device's performance, and market conditions. In conclusion, mobile cryptocurrency mining offers an exciting and educational way to dive into the crypto world without breaking the bank. Remember to manage your device's resources wisely, choose the right crypto, and stay updated on the ever-evolving crypto landscape. Explore more, visit www.cryptowini.com. And for even more in-depth knowledge, including answers to FAQs related to this topic, visit our website, www.cryptowini.com. Thanks for tuning in to Cryptowini, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a crypto update. Until next time, happy crypto mining!